Hello, this is Scott Werner and Vicki Werner, and we are here to tell you about the Mt Shasta Summer Conference. It's a new spiritual paradigm and talking about angels and ETs and all kinds, and Rob Potter's always talking about the Venusians. So it's June 22nd through the 25th, 2023, and both Vicki and I are speaking at this event.
That's right. And we're going to be, others that are going to be speaking at this event, these are just a few of the others, are going to be Sasha Stone, Ismael Perez, and Brad Olson. Those are just three, including us. There's some amazing speakers that are going to be speaking at this event, and we think it's going to be an incredible opportunity. Right now, the price is only $300 for the entire event, and we really encourage you to get on that very quickly because by February 14th, that price is going to go up.
So $50.
Yeah, so we want you to know about this special right now and to contact our office in order to get the tickets. And yes. So you'll reach out to us at Health and Longevity. The phone number is 435-986-0025, and then you can contact any member of our staff with your information and we'll get you at that early bird special.
Now, the authors and the speakers are doing the selling of the tickets, so you have to buy them from us in order to get this deal. And you need to do it by February 13th because February 14th is when it goes up.
That's right. So let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm the author of The Secret to Healing and Recovery. This book is something that I wrote after a near-death experience that I had, and then the grueling work in recovering of my health, as well as a caregiver's guides. And we know that there's a lot of people who are struggling right now with their health and they are in need of other support. So this book is a phenomenal support for someone on the healing journey and or someone who is caring for someone on the healing journey. I am a trauma and emotional healing coach and a past life regression practitioner. Go ahead.
And I'm author of 3 books, Take Back Your Health, The Next Step in Human Evolution, and Father Gabriel Mejia, a modern-day saint. I'm also a spiritual intuitive, and I get messages from Saint Germain and other ascended beings, including Jesus, and I'm a mentor and an alchemist.
That's right.
And I will give lectures on thriving in today's world, post-COVID. I'm redoing my Take Back Your Health to be a post-COVID edition because it's an oracle book. And we're going to teach you tools for transformation, doing our inner work, and God's love meditation update.
And I will be discussing expanding consciousness. We know that we are in the greatest time in human history, but these challenges that we're enduring are here to support us as we move into the new state of consciousness. So yes, there have been enormous challenges, but there is also enormous gifts that are coming up. So I will be discussing about expanding consciousness, thriving through change, because our bodies are hardwired, our brains are hardwired to keep us safe. And so what safe is familiar, and we are in unfamiliar times. So I'm going to share some tools about thriving through change and creating wholeness. We are always seeking wholeness. That yoked in the human experience is this desire for wholeness and the desire for creation. And so I'm going to discuss about those aspects of our human experience and how to really thrive through this. I will also be doing a group past life regression. I have been doing past life regression since 2007. I've studied and trained under the best of the best, and it is a passion of mine. Many people have wanted past life regressions, but in the time that is available, I will be doing a group past life regression as a workshop, and this is going to be an added bonus that you can sign up for in addition to the lecture series.
Now, The Secret to Healing and Recovery is Vicki's book. My first book was Take Back Your Health, written in 2012. And The Next Step in Human Evolution, written in 2014, and Father Gabriel Mejia, written up in 2017 and finished. And I was going to take it out, but I got very sick. But Anyway, Mount Shasta Summer Conference 2023, June 22nd through the 25th, 2023. Buy your tickets now from us. So call 435-986-0025
Yeah.
before February 14th. So in other words, the 13th is the date.
And thank you so much for your time. We hope to see you there.